Hi, we're Shelby, Tristan, Amelia Rose, and Nolan.
We're moving to a more minimalistic lifestyle, starting off by building a shipping container home.
Join us on our journey.
Like and subscribe to stay updated with our progress. Hey, excuse me. This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is art attack. What am I singing?
You'll have to get the music for that when you do that.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So
Hey guys, back here at Bunnings, we are getting some more quotes on some more wood and timber that we're going to be using for the framework of the shed, which is exciting. A couple of things that we have learnt while Tristan is busy quoting. A couple of things that we have learnt is that I need to hit the record button when we are filming. Yesterday I was filming a lot and realised that halfway through I did not hit the record button, so missed a lot of footage. That's one thing we learned. Another thing we learned is that I am right. So Tristan was putting up some stuff on the shed, and after I told him to do it a certain way and to do it then and there, he didn't. So siliconing the shed was a huge step, and I filmed every moment of him telling me that I was right.
every single day.
What are we doing here?
Getting some prices. See if we can get cheaper.
Cheaper prices is what we like. Back at Bunnings. Dun, dun. What's this wood going to be used for?
We need the wood for the studs on the inside of the container. So we need to figure out whether obviously it's going to be cheaper if we buy a much larger length, so something like 6 meters in length, than buying, say, more 2.4 lengths and trying to do it that way. So inside the container, it's just trying to figure out a way of being more strategic with our pricing. So now we're going to figure out how much timber we actually need. So.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my life, but it doesn't really matter, so I cry instead. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been land. I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been running circles, trying to get.
So what are we doing today?
Taking a breather from the shipping container and going to a party.
Yay! Taking a long-deserved break from building and moving and all that stuff.
Time to socialise and see some people.
Staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing there.
Okay, what are we here doing? We are here for...
Auntie Jade's birthday.
Yeah, we come all the way down to Druin. Nice little break from doing the container. Coming down here to have some fun and party and get dressed up.
And socialise and see all the friends, which is great. Great way to take a break from our now usual weekend of shipping container and building, so,
Yeah.
which has been great.
Yeah, actually being social.
Yeah, can't wait, finally.
Hashtag.
Hashtag.
Hashtag. Happy birthday, Auntie Jade.
Running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jade. Happy birthday to you. So just every angle, Jade. Is that what you wanted to hear? Yes. Amelia, stop picking your nose. Okay.
Hey guys, finished socialising, back to reality, so we're going to be going home now and doing some more planning and documentation of the shipping container and where we're at. But it was nice to get out and see Jade and celebrate her 30th, and
Yeah. Family is ready, as you can hear, so we're going to sign off and get back home. But again, happy birthday, Jade.
Please subscribe next time. Goodbye.